I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Wash face with a gentle cleanser for 30 seconds to remove oil, sweat, and makeup residue. This step sets the stage for absorption. Pat skin dry, leaving slight dampness on the surface so the booster serum spreads evenly and penetrates. If your skin feels tight or you prefer extra hydration, spray a light mist or apply a hydrating toner and allow it to settle for about 10 to 20 seconds before moving on to the serum application. Use 2-3 drops of booster serum onto clean fingertips. Too much product can cause pilling, and too little reduces effectiveness. Warm the serum between fingertips for 3-5 seconds to slightly thin the texture and improve spreadability across the face. Gently press the serum into skin rather than rubbing vigorously, working from the center outward and covering forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Allow the serum to settle for 20 to 30 seconds so active ingredients start to absorb before layering other products. Wait 30 seconds before applying moisturizer to allow absorption and avoid diluting the booster serum's actives. A brief pause helps product synergy. Use booster twice daily, morning and night, for consistent results, adjusting frequency if irritation occurs and consulting patch test advice. In the morning routine, apply moisturizer after the serum, then apply SPF 30 when heading outdoors to protect skin. At night, follow the serum with a repair or hydrating cream and any targeted treatments as part of your regular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.